Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to discuss about a new topic that is hepatitis B. So here, at first, I want to tell you that it's a communicable disease. So, at first, you want to know what is communicable disease. I already discussed it about my previous videos. Still, I again repeat it. Communicable disease is referred to the disease in which the causative organism may be passed or carried from one person to another person directly or indirectly. You may know that I already discussed about various communicable diseases like cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, chickenpox, measles, etc. So, today our topic is hepatitis B. It's also a communicable disease. So, at first you want to know that what is hepatitis and the type of hepatitis. In my just previous videos, I already discussed about this. First of all, hepatitis is a liver disease. That means I want to say that mainly by hepatitis virus, liver affected or infected. Hepatitis virus mainly two types, that is hepatitis virus type A and type B, and also non-characterized virus, that is non-A hepatitis virus and non-B hepatitis virus. So in case of hepatitis A virus, which is also known as epidemic jaundice, that means in these cases some non-specific symptom shows, and also dark color urine and jaundice the major symptom in case of hepatitis A virus. So now I want to discuss about hepatitis B virus. First of all, it is also called as serum hepatitis. Hepatitis B, which is also known as serum hepatitis. Hepatitis B is a major systematic infection and it is harmful than hepatitis A infection. This hepatitis infection may lead to liver cancer. So here the causative organism for this disease mainly hepatitis B virus, that is capital H, capital B, capital V. HEP, HBV. H for hepatitis, B for capital B, that means hepatitis B, and V for virus. This hepatitis B virus is a complex and 42 nanometer double celled DNA virus. Mainly, you always know that hepatitis B is a DNA virus. Mainly, this virus can transmit it by four routes. That is, number one, parenteral route. Number two, parental transmission. Number three, sexual transmission. And number four, miscellaneous. You may know that from our previous videos, hepatitis A virus mainly transmitted by three routes. That is oral route, parenteral route, and sexual route. In these cases, that means in case of hepatitis A, oral route is the major route can transmit it, this disease. So now I already told about hepatitis B, that means the transmission or the route of transmission. So now I'm discussing my first point, that is parenteral route. First of all, I want to say hepatitis B is a blood-borne infection. It transmitted by infected blood and blood product through transfusion, dialysis, contaminated syringe, and needles, pricks of skin, ear, nose piercing, and also other technique. So again, I repeat one thing: hepatitis B is a blood-borne infection. Then I'm coming to my next point, that is parenteral transmission. Especially in case of China and Southeast Asia, hepatitis B virus infection spread from carrier mother to their babies very commonly. Now it is sexual transmission. It may common in homosexual males. And in case of miscellaneous, that means it may be transmitted by blood-sucking arthropod such as mosquitoes or bedbug, etc. So you always aware about this thing because of if any person affected by hepatitis B, we think that we are searching how it came or like this, but you always remember thing, it also can easily comes our body by blood sucking arthropod because of that mosquitoes nowadays mosquitoes is very common in our home. That means everywhere every place it have. So always you are aware from this. But in this case, in case of bed bug, it's little bit rare nowadays. But mosquitoes is dangerous for this. So in case of hepatitis B virus, 45 to 180 days is the incubation period. Here one thing, that means one clinical features available, that is chronic liver disease may progress to liver cancer. I already told that is hepatitis B infection may lead to liver cancer. So now I'm coming to my last point and most important point, that is prevention and control. In case of hepatitis B infection, it can be prevented by hepatitis B vaccine, hepatitis B immunoglobulin, passive active immunization, and also by other measures. In case of hepatitis B vaccine, it is given in 3 doses, each of 1 ml by intramuscular route. In children below 10 years of age, for this 5 ml. And second dose is given 1 month after the first dose. And third dose is given 6 months after the first dose. That means at first you give, then 1 month later you give second one, and then 5 months later, that means uh, 6 months, from 1 month to 6 months gives third one. Then hepatitis B immunization is available, that is two doses available in this market, and passive active immunization, that is simultaneous use of hepatitis B immunoglobulin and hepatitis B vaccine, is considered superior to the use of hepatitis B immunoglobulin alone. And also other measures, that means all blood donors should be screened for hepatitis B virus infection, and only sterilized needle and surgical instruments should be used, and carriers should not use the razor or other thing the other person. Thank you. And for knowing about hepatitis non A and non B, please follow our next videos. Thank you again.